Good morning, all you guys. I hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. FA morning. Remember, I don't know if you can see it. That's right. Deep in rocks. So, heck yeah. Thank you. A huge shout out to our boy over at Southwest IoT for sending this cool shirt over. I appreciate you guys. It is super comfy and, well, Deep in does rock. So on that topic of Deep in, we are going to go over March's rewards that we had received from all of our Helium devices and mobile devices. That goes for our Helium Mobile like phone plan from data mapping, as well as our IoT Osprey G1 hotspot, which is out in the mining wellhouse. And then we have the indoor hotspot from Helium here as well. And now that is also, interesting. So we're going to kind of dive into it. There is a lot to kind of go over this month in particular. So let's go ahead and switch on over and check this out. So discovery mapping updates. So there have been updates to discovery mapping that have changed the way that we can complete and get hexes in order to get paid out. Now, for a few days, it was actually terrible because a lot of us were having issues. The first day was great. I got paid out almost like 3,000 or 3,500 mobile tokens because a lot of people weren't able actually to do the hexes or didn't complete the hexes. So the pool was much larger for those that did, which we'll show here in a minute. But yeah, it was pretty crazy. But in order to get paid now, you have to map out 40 hexes. Now, what's a hex? A Helium mobile network coverage area represents by hexagons or hexes. And that is a lot of the reasons why they use hexes in their map coverage areas. Take a deeper dive into it, you can visit the other article. But one hex is like two basketball courts. Right here, see, a hex is two basketball courts or one supermarket. If you line up 40 hexes in a row, that is about the distance of 1 mile. So in order to get paid now via discovery mapping, you got to go a full mile. And there is a twist into that, where if someone else goes into your hex or goes through a hex that you're going through, it will show up as an ineligible hex. Each hex has a 1 hour cooldown. So right here, see, each subscriber maps a hex. The hex has a 1 hour cooldown period, meaning another subscriber cannot qualify for rewards using that same hex until the cooldown period is over. So if you're in somewhere that is a very highly populated area, you will most likely get a lot more ineligible hexes than you would eligible hexes. I am not, and I'm kind of further out, so a lot of the times my 1 mile trips are full 40 counted hexes. Though I am seeing more ineligible hexes, which means there is more people around me that have Helium Mobile phone service, which is great to see. I didn't know if anybody else would this far out. But yeah, so pretty cool. Interesting way to go about it. If you want tips on this new situation, map 40 hexes in a day to be eligible. The hours of mapping depend on your time zones, so check your time zones. The times didn't really change, but the actual times are synced to your time zone. Rewards will be paid out the same day, every day, same time every day. And hexes are two basketball courts, so keep going. And now it doesn't matter whether you walk it, drive it, bike it, skateboard it, horseback ride it. That all counts, right? Don't see an update yet, don't worry. And this will also help out with people that are like gaming the system. So people that are running with multiple phones in their car, only one of them is going to get the hex and the other ones will get ineligible hexes, which they'll kind of all just kind of compete for hexes. So it'll just take longer for that person to get all 40 hexes across all devices. So I get it, and it is an interesting way to help slow the curve. If you don't have Helium Mobile and you're looking at getting a new phone, they're actually having a huge sale on their Pixel phones. I really wish and hope that they do an iPhone version, because my Helium Mobile device is an iPhone, and I would like to use another iPhone, but I would like to get a better iPhone than the one that I currently have. The one that I have kind of sucks. But it was cheap, and we had it extra from one of the kids, and it works. It works for its purpose, and it does help out because I do have family members that are on iPhone, so I can chat with them via video calls and not interrupt my other phone or doing other stuff. So it's kind of cool. But you can actually get a Pixel 8 Pro for $639, which is cheaper than their regular Pixel 8 phone. So hop on that, and you'll get 25% off of any hotspot that you get when you purchase this. So it's actually really cool. You can click it, and if you scroll all the way down, it'll show you what it would be at. So you could get an indoor hotspot for $188 or an outdoor one for $375. So with the amount that you save on the phone right here, you actually get the other device for about the same price as you would actually pay. So pretty cool. Hope they see an iPhone version, but I'm tempted because I've always wanted a Pixel phone to try, but I would like to keep my Helium device as an iPhone. Kind of cool. We'll have links for all of this stuff down below. Please use my referral code if you do not have Helium Mobile and you're looking at getting Helium Mobile. I would greatly appreciate it. It saves you $5. It saves me $5. And, well, that's pretty outbreaking standing, right? As well as we're going to talk about the mobile coverage. As you can see, well, everything looks different now. Before all this, but now we have urbanization, which is the cities, and then as well as the football, which I'm not really sure how that affects me, but it does affect my Helium mobile hotspot, right? My rewards have gone down dramatically, as you can see from what they used to be, down to now we're about 150 or so mobile per day. Since they've implemented the new urbanization and football thing. Soon we'll have land type oracles, and that's probably where I'm sitting, is in a land oracle, because I'm not quite in a football, but I'm still in a blank space, so I would assume that is where I lie. Earnings weren't all that best over these last month. For just my mobile version, we were able to claim, as you can see right here, I was able to claim from my mobile, I was able to claim about 5.5k mobile tokens over that last month, as well as able to get about 2,720, 2.72k IOT, which is also a pretty large drop from the month before, which it's been kind of sporadic, but we were earning a whole lot more IoT compared to what we are now, and we've had a lot of days where we didn't really earn that much. As you can see, like right here, we didn't earn any there, or we only earned 8 there. So there's some days that we're actually not getting that much beacon usage. Overall, not terrible, could be better. As you can see, all of our rewards right here. So here's kind of going over like the last month or so. There are some days that I didn't get any rewards, quite frankly, just because I didn't go anywhere, or I left, or maybe the wife left and just forgot to give her the phone, and we missed out probably about 2.7k or so mobile tokens. And right here on the 26th, you can actually see this is when things changed, and whenever the new discovery mappings showed up and started, and that first day we earned 3,538 tokens. The very next day, though, we didn't earn anything, and we had all 40 of our hexes mapped rewards were sent to our wallet, which was 0 rewards. So unsure of why we got 0 rewards that day, but we did. But overall, so far, it actually has helped, and our earnings have kind of gone up since they implemented this new discovery mapping, as well as there's a total mobile that we earned over the last month, which was 15.347 mobile altogether from just discovery mapping. Now this month we are not going to pay for our mobile plan with mobile, at least right now. We'll let that be, since price of mobile is currently down. We'll just let it be for right now. If not, we'll just pay for our mobile service at the end of the month with our own funds, or anything that we've accrued if we're in a better place price wise. That is it for the end of this month's earnings and what all we've earned so far. We did convert our IoT into Solana, which we've been doing, so we just continued to do that. Right before prices kind of tanked a little bit, we were able to get in and sell a little bit of it, or sell all of it for some Solana. So FA to that. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, put a comment down below if you enjoyed. We'll catch you all in the next one. Much love, peace out, stay savage, and remember, deep in rocks. See y'all later.